Hello and welcome to our first edition of The Edge. I'm Janelle Davidge.
And I'm Cheyenne Swafford. The DMA class of 2025 is very excited to take over this year.
Coming up on this edition, senior year has a lot of milestones, but what comes next? We have some advice for those who are thinking about college.
Plus, seniors in ITnet are already competing against students across the state. We'll tell you more about the competition later.
But first, we'll be talking about the new faces here at EdTech. The Edge's Emerson Sullivan has a story.
With the start of a new school year comes new teachers. This year we have new teachers at agri-science, construction trades, and here at the preschool. Mr. Butts joins the construction program. He most recently left a similar job at Grambling High School. When it comes to teaching, Mr. Butts knows it's more than just learning about construction.
Right, so I'm excited about meeting new people, the people I work with, the students, and then of course whatever we build. But I always look at the building and the content as almost secondary to the character building.
The house from last year still has to be moved, so they won't be starting on the new house right away.
We're doing some other projects and I'm getting to know them, they're getting to know me, so I'm excited about a little bit of everything. This is going to be a fun year.
While Mr. Butts is new to EdTech, in agri-science the new teacher is a familiar face. Miss Hall was a Teens in Touch preschool teacher for the last 8 years. Now she's an instructor in ag science.
So I've always had a passion for agriculture, and I am also a teacher and always had a passion for teaching. So this was a perfect opportunity to combine those two passions together.
Ms. Howell currently runs a working farm with her family, and she grew up on a farm in Emily City. Meanwhile, a new position left an opening in the preschool, and Ms. Stallsmith moved from medical careers to preschool.
I have always had an interest in early childhood development, and I feel like my passion really came about when I had children of my own. I'm excited just to get to know each one of them and their little personalities and how they learn best, and just seeing their growth.
Since Ms. Stallsmith moved down the hall from medical careers to preschool, they're now hiring for her old position. Of course, as soon as we hire that person, the Edge will introduce you to them. Reporting for The Edge, I'm Emerson Sullivan.
The new teachers aren't the only thing changed at EdTech this year. There were also changes made to the building. 3 classes here at EdTech, as well as student services, have gotten some helpful changes. Culinary Arts' entire restaurant has received a makeover with artwork on their walls and a chalkboard that the students worked on themselves. Agro-Science is going to be opening up a flower shop. They plan to sell boutonnieres and corsages for upcoming school dances. ITnet has also seen some changes. Over the summer, they got brand new computers and monitors for their class. And finally, Student Services has a new look as well, with the addition of Grace's Closet. Grace's Closet is a place where any person in need can get hygiene products, clothes, and more. New furniture and freshly painted walls can be noticed as well.
Seniors in ITnet are competing in the Cyber Challenge for the second year in a row. The Cyber Challenge is a Michigan-held competition to what school is best at maneuvering Linux and Windows operating system. The seniors are excited to participate and are hoping to place in states.
I think the experience last year helped me a little bit in some ways because it kind of like showed me what I need to focus on more so this year.
The seniors from ITnet are more experienced than ever this year. We have high hopes for them.
In welding, students are helping agro-science by fixing the steps in the barn. They have done projects like this before for car parts, but with the start of a new year, more students have the opportunity to also contribute.
It can benefit my learning on how much, like how good I weld, or my work experience for the future.
In spite of the new challenge, the students are confident that they will do excellent, and everyone, including agro-science, is thankful for this contribution.
Returning back to school, seniors have a lot on their minds, enjoying the last year of school while we're looking forward to what's next. Many students are thinking about college.
I plan on going to college and I want to study radiology.
I do believe I'm going to college. I want to go for computer science or C++ programming.
Yeah, I'm probably going to go to college as of now. My major would be in like some kind of like physical therapy field that would pertain to helping me become a chiropractor.
When thinking about applying, do it as soon as you can. The best month for applying is coming up. October is college application month, where colleges waive their application fees.
So that's why we want to make sure we're taking all of those steps, making sure we're getting our transcripts sent, making sure we're filling out applications, and making sure we're getting our letters of recommendation so that when that time comes to submit those applications in October, you can submit those without having to pay a dime.
And new this year, if you choose community college in Michigan, you can save a lot of money. The Community College Guarantee makes getting your 2-year degree virtually free.
So what that allows is essentially every single graduating high school senior in the state of Michigan is eligible for this. There is no income requirement, which is great.
There are things you could be doing now too that include creating your FAFSA ID. The FAFSA allows you to know what financial aid you're eligible for. It officially opens to the class of 2025 in December.
You want to make sure you have all these doors open, all of these possibilities for you guys, so that at the end of the day, you can choose which door you want to go to.
If you need help with applying to college, Mr. Rodriguez is here to help you. He'll be working with many classes doing college workshops, and you can also schedule an individual appointment with him. That's all for the first edition of The Edge.
Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for our next takeover edition.
In the meantime, you can keep up with us on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and TikTok at The Edge LC. I'm Janelle Davidge.
And I'm Cheyenne Swafford, signing off until the next day.